Morning, children. How are you all? I hope that all are keeping well at home. Today, we are going to study a new topic our industries. Our industries. You know, we use many things in our daily life. We use different material in our daily life. We use paste, brush, shoes, dresses, bag, lunch box, like that many things we are using in our daily life. Have you ever thought where does it produce? Have you ever thought where does our shoes produce? Where does our bag produce? Where does our mobile produce? No. Yes. Some of you may have thought about that. These things are produced in a factory. Where does it produce? These things are produced in a factory or an industry. Okay, understand? So the goods what we use in our daily life are produced in a industry or in a factory. Okay. So in order to produce the goods, what we need? We need resources. You know that our country is rich with the resources. So what is a resource? That is written here. Resource means anything which is useful for man. Anything which is useful for man is known as a resource. You know that our country is a very rich country. We have many natural resources and we have many uh, minerals in our country. We know that in order to produce certain goods, we need these resources, and these resources cannot be utilized directly. Can we use any resources directly for our purpose? We cannot directly use any resources. We have to convert these resources into finished goods. So in simple we can say raw material resources or raw material. The raw material we have to convert into finished goods. And where does this process happening? That place is known as an industry. Then what is industry? Industry is a place where raw materials are converted into finished goods. You know that what is raw material? Raw material means kacha mal. So this raw material convert into finished goods where in an industry. We can say an example. We use a sugar every day in our life to prepare coffee, tea. We use sweets. We use sugar. You know that sugar is made from sugar cane. So sugar cane is a raw material, and this raw material sugar cane processed in an industry or factory and then produce sugar. So this sugar cane directly cannot be used. That is a raw material. That raw material convert into sugar. Then we can use that easily. Another example, wheat. It is also a raw material. And from wheat, the industries they produce bread. Okay, so raw material, wheat is a raw material, and bread is a finished goods. So that is we already told before. The raw material cannot be utilized directly. We have to convert that into finished goods. So the conversion of raw material into finished goods. Conversion of raw material into finished goods. Where does it occur? That place is known as industry. Okay, all of you understand now what is an industry? Industry is a place where the raw materials are converted into finished goods. We know that in order to produce certain goods, we need basically four factors, and that four factors are known as factors of production. See, factors of production. Now to produce certain goods we need four factors. Basically that factors are known as factors of production. See, what are the factors of production? What are the things required for the production? See, first one, land. Now to produce certain goods, what we need first? First we need land. Land means jameen. So we know that we are constructing our buildings, factories in on building, oh sorry, on land. Okay, so land is required. Next, labor. Not in an industry we need labors, workers we need. Okay, without workers no industry will uh, run. The next, what we need? Capital we need. What is capital? Capital means money. Okay, in order to uh, construct the building, for the establishment of machineries we need capital. The next, what we need? We need an organization. Organization means those who can administer these industries, those who can administer, run these industries. A group of people who are organizing all the things: land, labor, capital, and capital are known as organizers. They are the organizers. So we need basically these four factors of production for the administration of an industry. Okay, now we can see what are the main types of industries in our country. Types of industries according to the size. According to the size, there are three types of industries in our country. First one, cottage industries. Cottage industries means this is the small form of industry where the family members are working, and they are not at all utilizing any machines. They are using only some tools for the production of some goods. Example, basket making or pottery, pots making. No, they are not at all using any machines, only using some tools. Next, according to the size, industries in India are divided into second category, that is small scale industries. Small scale industries. As the name indicate, some small machines are used in the small scale industries, and some hired laborers are working in a small scale industry. Example, we can say our garment industry, then electrical and plastic goods industry. They are using less number of workers and some small machines. Then large scale industry, where thousands of workers are working in a large scale industry, and they are using huge and big machines, huge machines for the production. Okay, these are the three categories of three division of industries on the basis of size. Thank you.